So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download MSI GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16 press X3. So open any browser to search like that and then go to first link, which is msci.com, and then click to this website. This is your graphic card. Extract, then click to support. Scroll down. If it is not showing here driver and manual warranty, so select the manual driver, download. There are two types to install driver, via automatic and via manual. So I recommend guys you try to this one. If you issues getting an issue in this automatic process, so then you try to manual it. Okay, you just single click and just click to download. So when you click to download, after that it start automatically set up like that. And then click to yes. Now this is the scanning and detecting your graphic card. After that, next to install, and then after the install the driver, you restart your system and then please check it. Okay, thank you.